electrical service, we have 30 amps, 50 amps, 100 amps, and 200 amps. You say, well, how come 200 amps? Well, at an area like where we are located or standing right here at the moment, this is called White Horse. There are 4 single-family homes basically scheduled to be at White Horse. With that, you can see that the electrical service here is 200 amps. You see this is Kanata behind me, so all the sites at Kanata or at White Horse, they all have cable TV connected. If you check this area here straight to this side of me, all this rocky area is part of a site that is called White Horse 1. At White Horse 1, you can see that it's a park-like environment, very private, and we've divided the whole area at Halfmoon Bay RV Resort to sections that is made out of 3 RV pads, 4 RV pads, 2 RV pads, 1 single RV pad to ensure that everybody has enough privacy to enjoy their pocket of land without having to be next to too many neighbors.